Hi there, students. Pounce. I think to pounce is most commonly a verb, but I guess you could use it as a noun. To pounce means to attack with a sudden jump. The cat pounced on the bird. You've seen cats. They slowly stalk, walk closer and closer to their prey, and then suddenly they jump on it. That is to pounce. To pounce, to jump into the air with the intention of catching or trapping something. The tiger pounced on the deer. The police made a trap and pounced on the criminal gang. Okay, so to pounce, to jump while attacking. You can also use it figuratively, meaning to take something quickly, to take it with enthusiasm. The buyers pounced on the bargains. They bought them as quickly as possible. To pounce, to attack. My critics were waiting to pounce on any mistake I made, to jump on it and to attack me with it. To pounce, to take the advantage of an opportunity. He pounced on the chance of a promotion at work. Well, you'd pounce on that opportunity, wouldn't you? The platoon was waiting in ambush and pounced, took the opportunity, attacked, when the enemy walked into the trap. Now, pounce actually has another meaning, but it's pretty old-fashioned. Pounce is a fine powder that you would sprinkle on wet ink to dry it. So you've written something, and then they would sprinkle this powder on it. And that powder was called pounce, like blotting paper. You could also use pounce to rub rough paper to make it smoother and make it easier to write. And this powder was normally pumice powder, either made from a cuttlefish bone or something like that. So to pounce the ink, to sprinkle the powder, or to pounce the paper, to rub it smoother. But both of these are very old-fashioned, very dated nowadays. So to pounce, to jump on. The kids pounced on the sweets when I produced them. The police pounced on the gang. So to pounce, to seize an opportunity. When the security system was being upgraded, the thieves pounced. They took their opportunity and attacked. You can also use pounce meaning to criticise. It's to attack as well. The press pounced on the PM's statement and criticised him heavily. Yeah? When you have an opportunity, you should pounce. Okay, so what about the origin? Well, of this verb meaning to jump on, there's a pointed tool, a pounced, in Middle English, which is a pointed tool or the talon, the claw of a hawk. And it's related to punch. Yeah? So a sudden movement with something sharp is the idea. And this powder is related to the Latin word pumex, which means pumice stone, what you sprinkle on your paper. Okay, so if I've made any mistakes in this video, I would welcome you to pounce on it and let me know, because like that I can correct it. So to pounce, to attack with a sudden jump, to take an opportunity rapidly, to criticise, to sprinkle powder on ink like blotting paper, or a powder to rub paper to make it smoother. Notice as well, to pounce is a regular verb. The cat pounced. The gang has pounced several times this week. So anyway, enough. If you formality, I nearly forgot it. I nearly got away without it. I would say this verb to pounce or pounce is neutral formality, 5 out of 10 in this jump meaning. Use it informally, very formally, nice and flexible. I think to pounce your ink or to pounce your paper, this sounds very old-fashioned and very formal. And I'd probably give it an 8 in formality, something like that. So with this powder meaning, be careful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.